Final boarding call for flight 415 to Tokyo, gate 22.
No, wait! Hey everyone, welcome back to EnglishUp. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
Today's story, a girl who almost lost her flight to Tokyo over one missed announcement.
Oh man, have you ever almost missed a flight, Sarah?
Once I was at the gate, headphones in, totally zoned out. I looked up and the plane had pushed back.
No way! What did you do?
Sprinted to the rebooking counter, cried a little, got on the next one 6 hours later.
6 hours? That's a whole work day.
Yup, read 3 magazines, ate 2 terrible airport sandwiches.
That's why I always show up 2 hours early now.
Same. Anyway, today's story is similar panic, but ours has a happy ending.
So, before we get there, let's preview the 3 key words.
Vocabulary preview. 3 quick words today. Let's start with airport.
Airport.
Easy one. The place where planes take off and land.
Big airports are basically small cities. Multiple terminals, food courts, sometimes hotels inside.
Or simply put, anywhere planes come and go is an airport. Our next word is passport.
Passport. The book your government gives you to travel internationally.
Has your photo, name, and a little chip in newer ones.
Don't lose it abroad. Replacing it is a nightmare.
Think of it as your travel ID. Proves who you are when crossing borders. And our last word for today? Gate.
Gate. At the airport, the door where you actually board the plane.
Each plane has a gate number. Always double check yours.
And keep an eye on the screens. Gates can change.
You'll see why that matters in a minute.
In plain words, the gate is the spot at the airport where your plane is waiting. 3 words: airport, passport, gate. Ready? Let's hear it.
Hi, I'm checking in for Tokyo.
Passport, please.
Here you go. I'm a little early. Sorry.
No problem. Boarding time is in 40 minutes at gate 12.
Perfect. I'll grab a coffee.
Sounds good. Have a great flight.
La la la. Pulls the earbuds out, panicking. Wait, what time is it? Oh no. Boarding! Excuse me. Is this gate 12?
This is gate 12, but the Tokyo flight moved to gate 22 10 minutes ago.
What? My flight leaves in 5 minutes!
Run! It's all the way at the end! Go now!
Final boarding call for flight 415 to Tokyo, gate 22.
I'm here. Please tell me I'm not too late.
Just barely. You made it.
Thank God.
Welcome aboard. Get some sleep. Tokyo's 8 hours ahead. That jet lag's gonna hit hard.
At this point, I'll sleep through the whole flight. What just happened?
Oh man, gate changes are the worst.
They really are. They announce it, but if you're at the cafe scrolling, you'll miss it.
Tip 1. Always check the screens before getting comfortable.
Tip 2. Don't put your headphones in until you board.
That's how I missed mine.
Speaking from experience.
Both of us. Lily literally lived our worst day.
After the break, 5 really useful travel phrases.
Language takeaway.
First, let's break down jet lag.
Jet lag.
When you fly across time zones, your body's all out of sync. You're tired, but can't sleep right.
The agent told Lily to get ready for serious jet lag in Tokyo.
I have terrible jet lag from Tokyo. Or it usually takes me 3 days to get over jet lag.
Simple way to say it. Tired and confused because your body's clock is wrong.
Our next phrase is check-in.
Check in. Lily said, "I'm checking in for Tokyo." It means to register at the counter or online before your flight.
Most airlines want you checked in 2 hours before takeoff.
Or, "I checked in online to save time at the airport."
Antonym? Check out like leaving a hotel. Now, boarding time.
Boarding time. The agent said boarding time is in 40 minutes. It's when you can actually start getting on the plane.
They usually call by group, first class first.
Boarding time is at 4:30 sharp.
In one line, the time you walk onto the plane. Our next one is run late.
Run late. To be later than planned, about people or events.
Sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
The meeting's running late. Please wait.
Antonym is being on time, or even early. And finally, cut it close.
Cut it close. To barely make it on time. Like Lily today.
She really cut it close. Final boarding call when she arrived.
I cut it close with my deadline. Or, she cut it really close getting to the airport. Opposite of having time to spare. Almost too late.
Don't cut it that close. Leave early. Now you know all the words. Let's hear the story one more time. You'll catch way more this round. Hi, I'm checking in for Tokyo.
Passport, please.
Here you go. I'm a little early. Sorry.
No problem. Boarding time is in 40 minutes at gate 12.
Perfect. I'll grab a coffee.
Sounds good. Have a great flight.
La la la. Pulls earbuds out, panicking. Wait, what time is it? Oh no. Boarding! Excuse me. Is this gate 12?
This is gate 12, but the Tokyo flight moved to gate 22 10 minutes ago.
What? My flight leaves in 5 minutes!
Run! It's all the way at the end! Go now!
Final boarding call for flight 415 to Tokyo, gate 22.
I'm here. Please tell me I'm not too late.
Just barely. You made it.
Thank God.
Welcome aboard. Get some sleep. Tokyo's 8 hours ahead. That jet lag's gonna hit hard.
At this point, I'll sleep through the whole flight.
Cultural note.
Speaking of airports, Lily's panic could have happened anywhere. But let's compare Taiwan and the US.
In Taiwan, airport announcements are usually in Mandarin, English, and sometimes Taiwanese. 3 languages, super international.
In the US, big airports can be huge. JFK in New York has 6 terminals. You might need a train just to get between them.
Plus, US security lines can take an hour or more during busy seasons.
Always arrive early at American airports. And check the screens. Gates change.
Today's recap.
Quick recap of Lily's day. She almost missed her flight because of a gate change while she was in the cafe with her headphones in.
Don't be Lily. Check the screens.
Today's words: airport, passport, gate. And phrases: jet lag, check-in, boarding time, run late, and cut it close.
Use these on your next trip. They'll save you from panic.
What's your craziest airport story? Did you ever almost miss a flight?
Or had a lucky save like Lily? Drop a comment.
Tell us what topic you want next.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And whatever you do, take your headphones out before boarding. See you next time on English Up. Bye!
Bye!